Toshiki Yoshima is an amazing guitar player. I first came across his playing a couple of years back, like a year or two back, when someone sent me an Instagram post of one of his tracks, and I really liked it. And people use that track a lot on like reels and stuff on YouTube and on Instagram. So a few times, a few friends will have these songs or these performances sent over to me because of his clean tone, his very jazzy approach, more neo soul-y, smooth jazz, neo soul, R&B vibe style, which is kind of similar to the style that I play. So I get a lot of friends sending me his videos and all that stuff. And I like his sound. I like his tone. I like his performance, his improvisation, and all. Just the way he carries himself on the guitar gives me some kind of laid back vibe that I do like. And he sounds like someone who is heavily influenced by George Benson as well. So yeah. So I thought today, why don't I create a preset around the kind of rigs that he uses. It doesn't have a complicated setup. I've seen it set up multiple times through camera angles and just can decipher what he's using. Now, I could create this tone without using the same exact things that he's using because it's not that complicated. Just some compression, some delay, and some sort of reverbs, and you're good to go with a amp. A Fender Deluxe amp, you'll be fine. A Hot Rod, you'll be fine. A Princeton, you'll be fine. You can achieve that tone with a whole lot of settings and amps and all that stuff. But I just want to create this one specifically for him. So it's going to be available for free on Gumroad. You can click on the link in the description and he's going to take you there. You just download it for free. No strings attached. That's that for that. So let's just go over to my editing software to see, what I create and why I decided to choose the things that I choose. My name is Dami. I'm a guitar player, and I sometimes do stuff like this. This is my artist series where I take one artist and I recreate whatever rig they have real life, and I recreate that on my Helix platform. So if that's your vibe, you can subscribe and like, and yeah. So there isn't really much going on here. First thing I have is an LA2A style compressor, which is the register compressor here. I have my gain at 3 point and threshold at -24, which kind of determines when that kicks in into that. For my amp, I'm using the Fender Princeton, which is the US Princess in the Helix system. Pretty much standard 21 drive bass at 2.5. You can play with the drive as much as you want. The price is at 2.0, master is at 10, and this is where it gets interesting because I'm using two cabs. I'm using a dual cab system, which really works well with this type of setup. I have one 57 and one ribbon microphone, which is the 84 on here. That just gives it more fuller sound and more warm jazzy tone. And I have two reverbs here depending on how you like it. It's a stereo reverb, so this preset will pretty much work on any Helix product. Line 6 Helix Native, HX Stomp, and your Helix, and even your Helix Stadium. They should be perfectly fine. I got a little delay, nothing much, and some post reverb here just to add some ambience to the backing track when I'm playing. Usually I'll turn these up when I'm playing like a backing track, just to kind of put in space in there and just let the guitar glow into the mix, especially when you're playing with backing tracks. But you can adjust that to taste how you like it, and that's pretty much it, and you have your own perfect tone. I mean, that's it.